Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Moonpay. So this is useful if you want to buy the crypto or any of the other digital assets directly using your card or your bank account. So first of all, you need to log in into your Moonpay account if you haven't already. Now, if you are completely new on Moonpay, you will need to first of all sign up and verify your identity before making any payments, including paying or buying. So over here, once you access your Moonpay dashboard, you are going to see this buy tab here on the home page. So you need to simply click on this buy tab. Then you need to wait for some time until you are redirected on the buying page. Over here on the buying page, by default, BTC as a cryptocurrency will be selected. So you can click on this BTC option. Then you can select any of the assets that you want to purchase or get in your Moonpay account. So from this list, you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy Solana. So you can also search for the cryptocurrency and then you can tap on it in order to select it. After that, you need to enter the amount in US dollars over here in order to basically spend on the cryptocurrency which you want to buy. Now in the bottom of it, it is going to show you the equivalent amount of money that you are going to get when you make this purchase. After that, simply click on the option of continue with Solana or any of the cryptocurrencies that you have selected. Then on the next page, you need to simply select your payment method which you want to basically use in order to conclude this transaction. Now Moonpay usually allows debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay and even bank transfers. So it actually depends on your region, but most of all you are going to see these types of payment methods. So you need to select the one which you prefer and enter the required details. After that, you need to confirm the transaction and wait for some time until your purchased amount shows in your Moonpay account. You can also get access to the transaction history in order to see whether the payment is in processing or whether it is confirmed. So this way you will be able to basically get the cryptocurrency in your Moonpay account. Now you can use Moonpay in order to make payments on any other platforms as well. So you need to whether select whether that particular platform allows Moonpay to make the payment. So you can use Moonpay in order to purchase cryptocurrencies on, let's say, Trust Wallet or on MetaMask account. So you can select Moonpay as a payment method and then you can make the payments. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and also comment below what you want me to create next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.